I showed you the two different pieces that was puzzled, it looked like two roofs. That's because you can build three styles of roofs. Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC and welcome to this unboxing of the Boom Racing BRX02 Land Rover Series 288 kit. Now this is the Land Rover Series 2 kit, not to be confused with the Land Rover Series 3 kit that I've already built on this channel. This is basically the same chassis as the Series 3 I built with the Series 2 body. Alright, let's start off with taking a look at the box. As you can see, this is Boom Racing's BRX02 88 chassis, and this is with the Land Rover Series 2 body. Now it's an SUV body, and you can build it with the top on or the top off. Let's go ahead and take a look at this panel right here, and you can see the two options for the build. Right here is the SUV style with the top on, and here it is with the top off. Alright, let's take a look at this panel right here. Just some details on the body, just some highlights. Basically showing all the details of this body, like opening doors, opening hood, you know, stuff like that. It's got a full dashboard and interior. So a lot of good scale stuff with this body. And here is my license plate.